Hello guys, Locho here, and in this video today I just want to go through my garden and see what's new, checking about my maize plantation mixed with beans, at least to do what we call cover cropping. And I've just been going through my garden and really stumbled upon one of the vegetable that is one of the most nutritious vegetable on earth, and I thought that you also should know about this vegetable because I almost threw it away. I was thinking it's a weed, but I realized it's one of the most nutritious vegetable on earth. The name of this vegetable is referred to as Purslane. Let me just go there where the vegetable is, because so this is the vegetable and it's referred to as Purslane. This is Purslane. Let me zoom to where it is. This is Purslane, as you can see. It's referred to as Purslane. This vegetable is one of the most nutritious vegetable on earth. If you have not known, if you have stumbled of such a vegetable in your garden, then you should at least incorporate it in your meal. So this plant is loaded with a lot of minerals and nutrients. For example, about 26% of this plant, I've told you it's referred to as Purslane, as 26% vitamin A. It also has 35% vitamin C. It also has manganese, which is 15%. It also has potassium. Potassium has a percentage of 14%, iron about 11%, and calcium about 7%. Therefore, it's one of the most plant loaded with a lot of nutrients that I wanted you to know today. I almost threw it away, but I realized it's a very nutritious vegetable. One of the most nutritious vegetable on earth. Now, another nutrient that this plant has, I've just discovered, is that it has a lot of omega-3. Even though it has few fats, but it's loaded with omega-3 fatty acid. And as we know that omega-3 fatty acid is good for brain development, especially in young children. And the kind of fat it has two types of fatty acid, that is EPA and ALA. EPA it has EPA is a fatty acid that is basically found in plants, and when we compare this plant Purslane with spinach, it has almost 5 times ALA fats as compared to spinach. Another advantage that this plant has is that it has EPA, but we know that EPA is a fatty acid that are found in animals and not plants, so that gives it a very big advantage as compared to other kinds of plants. So it has traces of EPA, which are fatty acids that are found in animals. On the other hand, it also has antioxidants. For instance, it has vitamin C. It also has vitamin E, which helps in protection of plasma membrane. It has vitamin A, which also boosts eye vision. It has glutathione, which is able to protect cell from damage. It has melatonin, which is a hormone that induces sleep. Sorry, it's the one that makes us fall asleep. So this plant has these kinds of nutrients I wanted you to know about it. Finally is that it also has this kind of minerals. We have potassium, though I had mentioned it earlier, which can also help in prevention of heart disorder. It has also magnesium. I found out that it has magnesium, and magnesium is very significant, especially in prevention of type 2 diabetes. And it also has calcium, which is good in bone development. So in conclusion, what I'm trying to tell you is that when you come across such a plant in your garden, we call it purslane. Please incorporate it in your vegetable, because I've discovered just today that is one of the most nutritious vegetable on earth. Thank you for watching. Kindly check out my other video on the link above.